Hello, Duhan. My name is Sergio. I hope your day is busy and successful. I am with Kansas City Business Operations. So, in this screencast, I'm about to show you 3 things that will set your business above your local competition and in turn, more clientele each month. Now, the first question is usually, why would I even be doing this? Well, here's why. Oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Plain and simple. Now, sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. But I found by giving people an easy attack plan of things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands saying, "I like you, Sergio, can you please do this for me?" So if by the end of the video, you like what you hear, you can see the skills I have to help your business grow and land more customers, you can shoot me a message back, we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it yourself, that works for me too. But before you try it yourself, I would like you to either give me some feedback or even a review on Google so I can show people the valuable information I'm about to show you. And before you do this, I'd like to show you 3 more things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I'd like to go over with you is content. So in order for your business to be fully optimized with Google, go landing page, aka homepage, use at least 1,500 words to fill the keywords. That's usually the set minimum for businesses to be ranking their page that they want to rank. And I found your site has about 435 words currently, which is totally good. But in comparison to one of your competitors, I'll be going over Midwest Duct Cleaning. Now they have a total of 634 words currently. Now these words are filled with keyword-rich content. This is powerful because keywords help you get business. And every month, people are searching for these certain keywords a number of times, which you miss out on not being number 1, and in turn, you're missing out on potential clients. So, this is Ahrefs, and it shows what your site is actually dense with. So these are your keywords that you are ranking for currently. Now I'm going to go down the list and find some keywords that I actually like. And these are ones that you should actually go for yourself. So, heating and cooling parts, Kansas City. Has a service, has a city. Now, that's one of them. Or even a niche in the city. So like duct cleaning, Kansas City, vent cleaning, Kansas City. Right? Those are the ones you want to go after. Now with volume, KD, cost per click, traffic, and position, these go deeper into depths of keywords. Volume is how many times this certain keyword is searched per month. KD is how hard it is on a scale of 0 to 100 it is to rank these certain keywords. So traffic derives on the position you're in and how many other people are also using this word to bring traffic in. Now, if you're in the first position, you're getting the most traffic than anyone else. The first position usually brings in at least a third of the traffic from the volume. So that's pretty much it for keywords, but this shows how important keywords can be for your content. The next optimization section I'd like to go over with you is your map pack or even maps, is what they call it. So I did a search for Kansas City duct cleaning, right? It's bringing in a total of 260 traffic per month for this keyword phrase. And each business down here either has this keyword in their content or somewhere in their presence of online. Each business has a tab, and each business has a business name and a business address or a business phone number. This is called NAPS, name, address, phone number. So to answer your question of how do you have to rank in maps is either get your reviews higher than everyone else's or you use citations, which is your NAPS. So these citations, aka NAPS, are submitted word for word into directories such as Facebook, Bing, Yelp, bb.org, so on, keep going down the list, right? So even Yellow Pages has a spot where you can submit a citation. But putting these citations in gives you more authority throughout the Google site. Doing so boosting your authority and in turn boosting your presence on the first page of Google for the map pack. Now, the next thing I'd like to go over with you is your backlinks. So, for your backlinks, this is the third most important aspect of Google. This is what gives your site authority, and we also call it link juice. So I do a search for Kansas City duct cleaning, right? I go back, you see the ads that pop up for this keyword. These are your Google AdWords, that's why they're popping up. You add the map pack. And this is all your organic listings. Now I chose Midwest Duct Cleaning because they're in the first position, so this is in turn what you need to beat out to be in the first position. Now this won't be hard if you follow these tactics. A, B, may, Kansas City Clean Air, and keep going down, air duct cleaning. But this is all on the first page, and this is where you want to be, right? And to get there, you need to beat out the competition in every aspect. So this link juice simply works like this. Ready? Site A is pointing to Site B. Therefore, Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. So, kind of like a popularity contest, right? Well, there is a little more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. So, for example, again, if you were to have Kansas City Clean Air linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a Pizza Hut or even a mechanic linking back to you. Now, if you're looking to use this tool I'm about to pull up, which is Ahrefs, it's great for checking out any link juice, any backlinks, any sites we have to offer. So here I got your site pulled up again. I got logged out, that's why you had that home page. But you see, I pay about $100 a month, and you can check out anyone's link juice. This is yours. This is Midwest duct cleaning right now. Let's go to yours. So let's go to your backlinks, and you can see the little link juice that you do have. Now this is not that bad. You have a decent amount. Therefore, it won't be hard to rank you even higher than since you already have some link juice. But you can see where they're coming from, where they're going to, the anchor text behind each link. Therefore, you want anchor text to probably be some keywords that you want to rank for, right? Now, they're going to be going to either the home page or any landing page that you want the link to go to rank that page higher. Higher DRs, higher URs also do benefit for your site. So now that you know a little bit about what goes into a backlink, let's go over to your competitor. Here you can see where the site's coming from and where they're going to. Now the cool thing about this tool is you can keep scrolling down, right? You can go all the way to 3, or even if they have a lot more than just 3 pages worth, you can take every single one and make them your own. Now of course, relatively, you want relative sites linking back to you, right? So don't be going after like Pizza Hut if they have Pizza Hut. Now, the 3 things I went over says backlinks. This is pretty much all of it you have to learn for now. You have content, citations, and backlinks. For your content, quick overview. You want at least 1,500 words to your own page so it can be optimized to Google. Any location page or service page that you want to offer, you want at least 500 to 1,000. And if you want to start ranking it like a home page and get that to beat out your competitors as well, which in turn bring in more traffic, right? You rank that up to 1,500 or even 2,000 if you really want to do that, but that's by no means necessary. Now, the citations. You need at least 200 or 300s so you can start beating out the competition by a landslide. You can see how you have 24, which is good, but some of them have 44, 35, 70. Now, these aren't your competitors down here, but getting those up will in turn make these guys harder to rank as well. So the last thing we went over is your link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google your authority. So if that means taking every single one of these that relevant to your site, that's what you need to do. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. And you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself time, you can give me a call at 816-654-5822 or even email me. And once again, I would like some feedback or even a review on Google that if it was valuable to you or if you learned something new. That's amazing. My name is Sergio. My number is 816-654-5822. I do look forward to hearing from you, and you have a good one.